Hey everybody, welcome back to Stone Mountain BBQ. Today, we're going to switch it up a bit with this quick video trying out a pre-seasoned pork loin that I picked up from Walmart. Now I've been craving some pulled pork, so we're going to go ahead and fire up the Pit Boss Austin XL to around 250 degrees. Once our pit came up to temp, I went ahead and took the pork out of the packaging and just placed it on the grate fat side down. Now since this loin is already seasoned with a roasted garlic and herb seasoning, we're not adding anything to it. The smell is awesome and you can see all those herbs and spices on the meat. 1 hour in, I start basting with a simple 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar and water. The pork loin is much leaner than a shoulder, so we don't want to let it dry out. It's looking super good. After another hour, the meat has reached an internal temperature of 150 degrees. With a great color on it, I decided to go ahead and wrap it in some heavy-duty aluminum foil and adding a few butter pads with some of that vinegar and water to the bottom of the foil. I really just want to see how this loin is with just the store seasoning. Once we wrap it up, we'll go ahead and make sure that our aluminum foil is nice and tight, and then stick our probe back in the middle and wait until the internal temperature comes to around 200 degrees or until the meat is super tender. Now remember, if you're going to be smoking this and just want to do sliced pork loin, you'll want to take it off at around 150 to 155 degrees. Another hour and a half later, and this pork loin has reached an internal temperature of 203 degrees. Man, does it look amazing. Now there isn't much bark, being that this loin was brined in a salt water and lemon juice solution, and we didn't add any type of rub to it out of the package. Overall though, it was juicy and savory and will do a great job curbing my pulled pork craving. I appreciate you all for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and ring that bell for notifications of new content. And as always guys, y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Thanks guys. God bless.